everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'm going to show you a delicious Asian dessert. I'm going to show you how to make tapioca pearls with coconut milk. It's perfect for dessert, it's perfect for breakfast as well. It's very easy to make. It involves a bit of preparation, but I promise you that it's worth it. Let's get started. So this dessert is vegan, it's healthy and it's very simple to make. We are going to need just 4 ingredients. A lot of water, 60 grams of tapioca pearls, or they are known as well as sago seeds. You can find them in the grocery stores or in the Asian grocery stores. 30 grams of sugar, or you can replace it with stevia, and half of the can of coconut milk. I would suggest you to use the best one because it gives this nice texture and nice flavor as well. Let's get started. To boil our tapioca pearls, we are going to need 1.5 liters of water. I'm going to put it on a stove to bring it to a boil, and after that I'm going to add the tapioca pearls. So after 5 minutes of boiling, our tapioca looks like this. It's like semi-transparent pearls. I'm going to place the lid on top and let it sit for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of resting, our tapioca pearls should be ready. They should be almost transparent. So this means that it can be used now in hot desserts. And at this stage, we are going to pre-boil it one more time. I'm going to show you in a second how. So at the moment, what we are going to do, I'm going to strain my tapioca pearls and I'm going to rinse them with plenty of water. So I'm going to rinse them until they are going to cool down. So I rinse them with cold water, with about 5 liters of water, like stream of cold water. You need to make sure to remove that starch from the tapioca. The next stage, what we are going to do, in a saucepan, I have my half of can of coconut milk. It's better to have the highest quality of the coconut milk. I'm going to add 30 grams of sugar, or 2 tablespoons. You can use sweetener, like natural sweetener like stevia. It's entirely up to you. So I'm just going to give a good mix. And I'm going to boil this mixture on the stove, just to bring it to a boil. So I removed from the stove the coconut milk with the sugar. For more flavor, I added just a bit of vanilla paste, and I added as well all the tapioca pearls in the mixture, giving a very good mix, and let it sit for about 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes of setting the coconut milk, the vanilla mixture and the tapioca pearls, I'm going to transfer into the glasses and put it in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. So after a few hours in the fridge, this is how my tapioca looks. It's completely set and it has an amazing smell from the coconut milk and from vanilla as well. I'm going to decorate it with some sliced peaches and some cubes of peaches as well. Mango is best option as well as peaches, so it's entirely up to you. You can put some pineapple, but I would suggest you mango and peaches is the best option. So just like this, you can sprinkle on top as well some shredded coconut, and adding some fresh mint leaves for this contrast of color. And tapioca pearls dessert. This is vegan, it's extremely nice and delicious as well. Very easy to make. It involves a few steps and a lot of water, but I promise you it's worth it. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday. Like and comment the video. I would love to answer your comments in the comment box below. If you have any questions, I love them to answer as well. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.